Hi everyone, my name is Alexey and I make everyday market review on my YouTube channel and I think you saw it and now I want to start to make a video for explain that how I trade and how I think it best the best way for how progress in trading and how make your deal more profitable and I will do many video and first we start speak about that how trade without big stop loss first and second how receive every time just profit. Bad way it's zero after your deal and I want to show you this method how I do it and if you saw my uh, trade journal where I speak about my deal I told many time about it and I closed part of position and second part I closed more higher and this closed part of position helped me be every time on plus. Yes, sometimes I receive minus, but it's not big percent on my deal and how do it I will show you now on many example. Okay, let's see example. Very important understand I will show you K what more often work in the formation which give immediately movement. What I mean about formation. We have three basic type when we open position usually. First type, it's when price stay somewhere and go out from this level. It can be any time frame when broken support or resistance. Now resistance, we take position and waiting when price will rise somewhere here or higher our take profit. Second, when we take after that when price rise fix and we or without fix we take somewhere on test when we understood who is winner on this consolidation, buyer or seller, we take here and on this side and first it's when consolidation we believe price will rise and we don't wait we don't wait trying went out, we take somewhere here in the middle and waiting. On Thursday type our stop right stop should be behind this consolidation. First is worse than before too. Why? Because it's in my opinion, but we don't know how many time price will try and go away to up or to down, how many time it will make provocation, and we don't know will win buyer or seller or we don't know anything. We just see consolidation and we trying work with it, but more probably if somewhere here was trend, if we waiting continue this trend, this provocation can be more deep. And this formation is not for that what I explained to you today. And take first and second. First, you take when price out from the range. When price out from the range. And minus this formation, you all the time should be near the computer and watch about point for open position. You can blink, you can go outside to walk, and you should sit on order bottom. every time, waiting when price will break this visual line, or if short, visual line to down. After that you sell market order or some limit order and put stop here. Yes, you can use limit order when price will rise, and but second minus is fails movement. Look here, many times it's range, and they can give you some provocation, and after that go to your stop. Give provocation to down, and after that give another movement to another side this range, because its range is consolidation, and somewhere someone make big position inside, and we don't know who is it, because it's range. And that why I recommend to all my students and all guys who watching me in Russia community and now in English, work with second type. When price show to you real movement, when price went out, pulse went out, and after that you understand, okay, winner is buyer, and you waiting some test here. More probably after test, your stop will here, like on all this situation you stop behind it. More probably after test you will see first pulse. And my super key, my secret for be every time on profit, every time do good potential profit trade and don't receive minus. It's fixed part of position here. You saw it many times on my video where I speak about my trade journal, and you can take here fixed part of position, and second part of position you see to target on your formation, on what you mean where price can be. And this is very important thing, because after guaranteed pulse, price can go again to back, and you can receive minus, or price can did reversal formation and you will receive stop, and it's set. But here you close part position, and if price go to stop and give you stop, it's doesn't matter, because you fix part of position here, and if you will receive stop on second part of position, okay, you have zero on that trade, and it's great. And why type 3? Because type 3 is more potential for pulse, this first pulse. Here you don't know how many time will provocation. Here you don't know will movement or not, and you don't know what side need for you. And here it's work on any time frame, on 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 8 hour. It's work, and it's help you be all the time on trade on profit. Some example about this trade. Who saw my trade on British pound? I opened here long, and here was guaranteed take, but part of position I closed here, because after this level I can see one more movement to down. Example is gold. Yesterday I sent a signal to my Twitter about gold, and what I did, I opened long here, look, price right, I opened second order here, my stop was here on test this provocation. It's by my formation, it's not example what I talked, but how it work. And here I fixed part of position, I closed part of position, and what here, I received stop on second part, but look, I take this movement and I receive to half of position this stop, and I have profit. And this deal, yes, they don't go as I wanted, but I fixed profit. Here, look, we take here close part position here. Okay, price rise continue. Okay, second part of position we close here, and but you can say you don't take all the profit. You didn't take all profit what you could, but it's not problem. It's real not problem, because here I also could receive, but now I on plus, and on this deal I also in plus. When it will not good, when you take and you immediately receive stop. Okay, if you receive stop, you will receive in any formation stop. It's normal process, but more probably on this situation you can fix part of position and be all the time in profit. Thank you for watching me. Subscribe to me, share this video. I will make more often interesting explaining how I think should be a profit trader and how I do it, and see you next video. Have a good profit.